What's up guys? दूसरा वीडियो, दूसरा है फोर्थ वीडियो, फोर्थ वीडियो. We are on the outskirts of Hyderabad city. Industrial area है, as you guys can see. इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया है यहाँ पे. सीमेंट फैक्ट्रीज, ऑयल फैक्ट्री, ऑयल मिल्स एक्सेट्रा है. तो हम लोग अभी ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग एक फैक्ट्री के बाहर है अभी. आई शो यू गाइज इनसाइड के क्या होने वाला है, क्या करने वाले. इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो अभी वन ऑफ आवर टीम मेंबर्स इज स्पीकिंग विद द पर्सन हियर, सुपरवाइज़र. तो अगर परमिशन मिली तो होपफुली वीडियो की बुनियाद सेट होती एंड देन विल गो एंड शूट द वीडियो इनसाइड. जब तक यहाँ ये साइट्स का व्यू एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, कुछ दिखाएंगे. तो बेसिकली आज हम लोग को ये करना है, आई गेस लोडिंग अनलोडिंग.
A few moments later.
So we have got permission, we can go inside right now. We're speaking with the supervisor. So I'm going to be a cement warehouse worker for 6 hours. It's about 8 to 9 hours shift, lekin I'll be the worker only for 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. We've got the permission. There is not much awareness about this places. These workers, you know, they work in dust, you know, cancer causing चीज़ें, ये सब dust particles, cements, and it is also crucial for building a home. मतलब cement की requirement रहती. That's why we chose this thing and this spot. So I'll catch you guys inside and we'll see how it goes. Like how much struggle is there? How is it to be a worker, like cement warehouse worker for a day? So guys, I'm officially a worker here. Tiffin रख दिया मैं मेरा. Now 6-7 hours I have to spend here, so we'll go inside and explore. 2 segments है यहाँ पे. वो I think so ये वही supervisor का area, whom we spoke with. Office है, and then you have एक storage area यहाँ पे, and then another storage area यहाँ पे. So the supervisor he told us like he will be going somewhere, तो उनको आने में time होता. So once he comes we'll have a small guide. जब तक हम लोग explore करेंगे, मज़ा आता क्या है क्या नहीं. आइले. Damn. So this is not the production unit. यहाँ पे cements नहीं बनते. You only get them packed and then they get delivered from here. This is my basic understanding. I have no idea. ये मेरा भी पहली बार है इसके अंदर आना. आराम से एक आते होंगे like 5,000, 10,000, I don't know कितने आते होंगे. यही होंगे 1,000 के ऊपर होगा ये, उससे ज़्यादा हो सकता. So I was about to throw these clothes for washing, so I wore them this because I know कि जो मेरा condition मेरे shoes का हुआ वो पूरी body का होने वाला है within couple of hours. थोड़ा zoom. First work of the day. एक vehicle आई भी अंदर, so basically we have to unload it. यहाँ से ये साइड से देखा. 8-wheelers, I don't know, 16-wheeler vehicle है. We have to unload the entire thing inside. Sheesh!
A few moments later.
We are having a bit of miscommunication with them because obviously they are not so friendly. You come in to their daily work, it would be as if हम लोग interrupt कर रहे. So we're waiting for the supervisor to come so that when he comes we can have a chat with him. Right now they're unloading something, so I'll just observe what's happening because you know communication gap हो रहा. So they are taking the load from here and then just stacking it inside the warehouse, basically filling the warehouse. I've noticed something. Come here, Bharat. You take this cloth. Look at him how he's wearing it. कैसा पहनता है, ऐसी है ना? इसको ऐसा डाल लेना ऊपर, सर बचाने. So you do it like this, and then you put it up like this. बराबर है ना? And then you take the the cement bag, and then you put it inside bag. मैं एक डालता हूँ.
आलू दो एक थैले.
कितने केजी का है?
50.
50 kg, 50 kg. डालो भैया, आराम से डालो, मार दो मत.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I'm done. Cooked. नीचे डाल दो, मर जाता हूँ मैं. क्या है ये? बाहुबली बाहुबली बनना पड़ता. Bro, for now I'll just absorb because I cannot carry this, bro. 50 kg. मेरे को क्या फील हुआ, मतलब ऐसा यहाँ पे क्रिक बोल के आवाज आई मेरे को on my neck. Another vehicle coming in. I'm done, bro. वो the technique was wrong. अभी निकाला ना एक डाला में. Oh. So what happened is that I almost died. मेरा जो neck है ऐसा क्रैक करने की आवाज़ है क्योंकि the technique was wrong. I was supposed to keep it on my back with the boat ends and then bend and walk. मैं बाहुबली बन के सर पे रखने गया तो थोड़ा सा बेंड हुआ, मेरे को पेन हो रहा. But now I'll follow, you know, how I'm supposed to do it. I'm supposed to keep it back and then bend and walk. अब ये लोड कर रहे हैं ना गाड़ी, ये गाड़ी लोड कर रहे हैं ना, वो मालदार है इसमें. इसमें सीमेंट्स में 2 टाइप के रहते बोले, सीमेंट में 2 टाइप के रहते बोले.
क्या टाइप का है हमारे पास?
4 मतलब अलग अलग सीमेंट है, कस्टमर को जैसा होना वैसा सीमेंट.
वो देना पड़ता.
ओके, तो तुम फिक्र मत करो. एवरीबडी विल बी फेमस ओवर हियर. पूरे फेमस हो जाते. So we have something of information here. This vehicle is for unloading, so we don't need anything. You just go here, stand, take, and then move. But this vehicle over here, they have to load from the warehouse. So they created step. Yeah, that's what the step. So they step on the step, they go up and then they unload. I mean they load. Look how he's going. I'll go and try one. Aaj andara. लेके जाओ, मैं देख रहा हूँ कैसा ले रहे. गर्दन चली जाएंगी मेरी. ओके भैया लाओ.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
नहीं छोड़ दो बस. थैंक यू. आराम से. होता हाँ. क्रिक बोल के आवाज़ है मैंने. भैया मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ ये नीचे के. These guys, they are used to this. 2 बार मरते मरते बचा मैं. आओ
सर वो इरेत को नेति बिना
इधर आना. ओके ना.
सीधा कंधा लगाओ बस.
ओके
वालो
खाली कंधा लगाओ
बस.
वाह
ओके समझ गया मैं. सीख गया. हाँ. 500 रुपये. पठान नहीं जाओ.
ఇది హైట్ ఉంటది కిందికి వచ్చేది.
हाँ खाली कंधा लगाओ बस. खाली कंधा लगाओ.
ओके. Shit. Bro, I'm done, bro. I'm done. हमारे भाई हमारे साथ है. भाई अच्छा रखा हमें.
भाई पहली बार बेचारा मेहनत कर रहा, इसको लाइक करो. और ये जबरदस्त जवानी में हार्ड काम कर रहा और सास को बोलो था दहेज बड़ा बोल के. अल्लाह उनकी सेहत उनकी ताकत
अबे
में.
दम है मेरे हाथ में.
अरे दम्मा जी अच्छी बात है.
लाओ.
खाली कंधा लगाओ, कंधा लगाओ।
कंधा लगा दिया,
ऐसा पलटो नहीं नहीं एक हाथ ऊपर रखो, एक हाथ ऊपर।
रख दिया,
बस
ऐसा
आ गया।
राइट
ओके, थर्ड वन, मोर 5 to go।
ऐसा ले रहे हैं तो ऐसा ले रहा
ओके, ऐसा ले रहे तो ऐसा लेना।
ले, अपने हाथ से ले लेना, खाली कंधा लगाओ बस तुम।
ठीक है, लगा दिया। ओके
खाली कंधा लगाओ।
ओके, ठीक है
ये खंदे पे आ रहा थैला पूरा।
जी, कुछ भी वजन नहीं पड़ रहा। भाई उठा लो ये।
हाँ, लियो, खाली कंधा लगाओ, खाली कुछ नहीं करो, खाली कंधा लगाओ।
सीख गया। I'm done. I'm cooked, man. You know, it's just like 15-20 minutes in. You have to carry this 50 kg bag, go up there and load. I did like 5-6 times and I'm done. ऊपर से there is this dust outfit. Zudio. I'm done. मगर ये शुरुआत है क्योंकि we have a whole truck to unload. They're having this instrument. You know, this is like local creation. I don't know what is this. You hold this, you hook it, and then you keep it up. Like, look, he will be doing it now. They'll be doing it. See, they're hooking. Upar.
बनी दिला रहा
The load is done. Now this vehicle is leaving. Had a sudden emergency loading vehicle, so we loaded and we sent it. Now we're back to work. So this is the main work. भाई कितने हैं इसमें थैले? कितने थैले? 800 की गाड़ी है। रुको जरा रुको। बस है, बराबर है। ओके, बराबर है। नहीं उतरता। Shit. 1 2 1 2 1 2 They just told me that, you know, another vehicle is there outside, so they have to cross load. Cross load is basically interload. There will be one vehicle here, another vehicle here. So you have to load from this vehicle to this vehicle. This is called as cross road. तो हम लोग एक काम करते करते ये कंटिन्यू होता रहता. Until that time we'll go and do that. We need multiple experiences in a day. 6 hour की shift में you have to do a lot of things. So now we're going outside. तो मैं ये equipment जो आला है, I'll wear it. ये करना है. इसमें से इसमें. They're having this shaft. I don't know what you call this. ये पीछे कुछ लगा हुआ है ऐसे. पीछे ऐसा कुछ लगा हुआ है so that they would be protected from the dust on the back side and also the heat. I don't have anything, so that's why I'm using this handkerchief क्या बोलते हैं. Cold ना. We're having some pre-workout meal. Manage नहीं करे. We are giving them buttermilk so that they can have some energy. This is a local drink, buttermilk. Okay, we're going up.
देखो
Okay,
ओके
come Bharat. This is how crossing looks like. क्या करना है? Okay. उठाना? Okay.
तुम ऐसा पकड़ो
बस.
बस
Okay.
तुम कान ऐसा पकड़ लो भाई एक ही हाथ से पकड़ो एक ही हाथ से पकड़ो काले ऐसे डालो कोल्डी मार
बस इतना ही है ये.
उतना ही
कितना है ये थैला ना?
150
150, 150. Okay. This is the second vehicle which we are loading right now. Almost 150 सीमेंट्स जा रहे. ये डायरेक्ट कस्टमर्स को जाते. And अभी मैं ब्रेक लिया क्योंकि मेरी हालत हार्ट लग गई मेरी. The thing is that we can do it, but there is heat, and then the second thing is that you're inhaling dust, so which is cancerous. They're habituated, bro. They're doing this from 10 years. I don't know. Some are doing from 20 years, and most of them, they are like, they drink. That's why they are not sensitive to the environment. They're not sensitive to the world because they drink. So once you drink, when you're high, it gets easy for you to do anything. So most of them, you know, when they're speaking to me, I can smell alcohol, and that is also the reason, you know, why they are able to, you know, stand long hours. But I don't drink, I don't do all of these things, and this is first time for me, so I'm cooked. So मैं break ले रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर. Okay, now we are done. So this is how you leave the vehicle. You know, you bang on the vehicle, and then the driver knows that he has to leave. खाली खींचना है ना, वो मैं भी करता हूँ. कैसा सा आए थे. We're almost done. Hook डाले. Starving in this thing. चलो हो गया. Now this entire inter-vehicle loading is done. Almost done. Now this vehicle will, ये चल जाती ना आप गाड़ी जिसके पास जाना उसके बाद चले जाती कस्टमर के पास. फिर ये यही क्रॉसिंग होता. हाँ, तो फिर क्रॉसिंग करना है अभी.
दुकान साइडों पे जाता रहता माल.
तो ये माल पूरा खत्म करना है क्रॉसिंग में. Third vehicle is done. We are about to leave now. हो गया ना? Now we are left with that truck, which is supposed to be unloaded here, and I'm cooked. मैं almost 4.5 hours हो गए हम लोग को यहाँ पे. 4.5 hours, 5 hours हो गए. मालूम नहीं हुआ time, and I'm taking a break now. Everybody is taking a break basically. So this is their break time. तो मैं भी वो लोग के साथ break ले रहा हूँ. और we're subscribing for them. तो हम लोग कृष्णाना के साथ है अभी. कोई एक सवाल है, अभी ये जो डस्ट जाता है ना अंदर, नाक में जाता है, अंदर जाता है, तो इसको निकालने क्या करते?
90 पीने वालों.
क्या पीते?
गुड़ 90
पीते. मतलब अल्कोहल कंज्यूम करते. और
वो गुड़ खाते.
गुड़ इन द सेंस जैगरी. गुड़ खाने से क्या होता है, मतलब
क्लियर हो जाता है.
तो ये काम करने के बाद गुड़ खाना. और कुछ? Okay, that's it. They're loading the 5th vehicle right now. ठीक है ना कृष्णाना हमारे. We are loading the 6th vehicle right now, and we are cooked. We are literally cooked, bro. So we are waiting outside. Like we will take some break, and then we'll do one last vehicle and leave because it's more than 5 hours now. 7th vehicle load कर रहे बाहर, and we told them that we can no more shoot. I mean, we can not no more shoot. We are just done. So we'll just tell them that we're leaving, and we'll leave. The thing is that, you know, these people, why am I making this video? What is the reason for making this video? There are people who are doing this, you know, for daily wage, 500 rupees, 400 rupees per day. They're giving everything they have. I could have just sat, you know, on my couch in AC at my home, but I chose to came in to realize. I know this is a bit extreme, you know, working with them, but it is the realization at the end of the day that makes me humble. And if you found the video useful, like it, share, subscribe, and remember, you're never alone. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.